Hello, thank you so much for coming to my channel. What is KOFX Prosthetic Makeup School? My school is a completely free online school. We provide video-based tutorials with written recipes not only for beginners but also for advanced artists. If you look at the recipe, I put the videos and show you makeup like this.
Foam latex prosthetics application. I am going to make orc makeup. I make sure the piece position. I'm using the Telesis 8 and thinner.
And if you want to buy materials and don't know where to buy, you can click the links and I show you where to buy. And if you have questions, you can leave the comments and ask me anything you want. And please subscribe my school and I will send you updates with the emails. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.